warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To begin say today Environment Day celebration, so I would like to call Khalsa Javed to come forward and lead us in the Environment Day pledge. Please come on the stage.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Khalsa Javed, I am from 6th standard at Al-Hilal International School, Ramdar, Karna. Today I want to share a pledge on World Environment Day, so let's start and speak.
I pledge
To protect our environment. I will. My surrounding stream. I will not waste water. I will plant more trees and take care of them. I will say no to plastic. I will encourage others to save nature. We can make our earth green and clean. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
अल्लाह से करे जो दूर वो तालीम भी फितना, अमलाक भी औलाद भी जागीर भी फितना, नाहक के लिए उठे तो शमशीर भी फितना, शमशीर तो क्या चीज है नाराए तकबीर भी फितना. My name is Parasjar
And my name is Iqra Rafiq. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, we warmly welcome to everyone present here. Today we have gathered to celebrate World Environment Day, a day that reminds us of our responsibility toward nature and our planet. So let's celebrate World Environment Day with a promise to protect our environment and make our earth greener and cleaner. Now I request Asma Jas to come on the stage and share her thoughts about World Environment Day.
Respected principal sir, honorable teachers and my dear friends. I am Asma Shafiq from class 6, feel honored to stand before you on occasion of World Environment Day, which is celebrated every year on 5th June. World Environment Day was started by the United Nations in 1972 to make people aware how environment is important for us. The theme for 2026 is Beat Plastic Pollution. Today, our earth is our home. We do not have a planet B, yet we are hurting it at every single day. But why is our environment in danger? Because we are cutting trees and using too much plastic. Our air is full of smoke from cars and factories. Because of this, the earth is getting hotter. This is called global warming. Glaciers are melting, animals are losing homes, and we are facing floods and droughts. Friends, the earth does not belong to us, we belong to earth. If we take care of it today, it will take care of us tomorrow. Taking care of earth does not require grand, impossible gestures, it starts with our daily choices. We can plant a tree or single tree or clean up a local park. We are investing in our own health. So keep plant and clean our environment clean. Thank you and happy Environment Day.
It's time for a beautiful poem dedicated to nature in our environment. So I would like to call Iradat Iman to come on stage and present the poem.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Iradat.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Iradat Iman and today I would like to recite a poem on World Environment Day. The earth is our home, so clean and bright, protect it. Plant more trees and keep your clean. Save water, save trees, save earth, save life. Thank you and happy Environment Day.
Have the power to inspire and motivate us. Now I would like to invite Noazish Niaz to share some beautiful quotes on World Environment Day.
Good morning. Good morning.
आन करना नहीं वो तो होता आंतलन थोड़ी होना.
I am Noazish Niaz from class 6 and today I am not here just to speak. I am here to remind you that our silence is slowly destroying our planet. We are not just polluting the earth, we are destroying the only home we will ever have. Don't wait for others to take action because real change begins when you decide to care. If we don't protect nature today, tomorrow nature will not protect us. This is not just in our future before it's too late. ये ज़मीन हमारी पहचान है, इसे यूं बर्बाद ना करो. ये ज़मीन हमारी पहचान है, इसे यूं बर्बाद ना करो. यही कल हमारी जिंदगी है, इसे वक्त है संभल जाओ ये फितरत की पुकार है, अभी भी वक्त है संभल जाओ ये फितरत की पुकार है, वरना आने वाला कल सिर्फ अफसोस और इंतजार है। थैंक यू।
Your words reminded us of our responsibility to protect and care for our environment.
A picture can speak louder than words. Now I would like to call Afreen to come forward, show the drawing and explain its message to everyone. आपने ये ड्राइंग बनाई है, प्लीज इसे एक्सप्लेन करो और बताओ कि लोगों को इन्वायरमेंट हमें क्यों सेव करना चाहिए उसके बारे में बताओ। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। My name is Afreen Bano. I study in class 7th and today my topic is this drawing shows to don't cut the tree and save our environment. Thank you.
A poem on World Environment Day.
Everyone, today I want to tell you a beautiful poem on
चल चल
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to tell you a beautiful poem on World Environment Day. Earth comes to end, save it, my friend. Pollution is going on in every city, village and town. Stop this work of pollution. There are many solutions. Do not pollute water and air. Do not throw garbage here and there. You can do something now or never. Let's save our earth forever.
On Environment Day.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamad Hanmeer. I am from class 6. Today my topic is Environment Day. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about World Environment Day. It is celebrated every year on 5th June to spread awareness about protecting our environment. The environment is very important for all living things. It gives us fresh air, clean water, food and shelter. But today pollution, cutting of trees and uses of plastic are harming our earth. We should take care of nature by planting more trees, saving water and electricity, and keeping our surroundings clean. We should also reduce pollution and recycle waste material. Small steps by each person can make a big difference. If we protect our environment today, we can give a better and healthier future to our next generation. Let us all promise to keep our earth clean, green and beautiful. Thank you.
ये जमीन हमारी इमानत है, इसकी हिफाजत हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। ये जमीन हमारी इमानत है, इसकी हिफाजत हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। रखत फूल और साफ फिजा का पैगाम, माहौल बचाओ यही है सबका काम। Now I would like to invite Anaya to deliver her speech.
Today I am going to speak on a topic that concerns all of
Us. Our environment. What is environment? Environment means everything that surrounds us. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the soil we walk on, the trees, animals, birds and even the sunlight. All these things together make a balance. This balance is called nature. Without this balance, human life cannot exist. Why is environment important? Imagine a world without trees, no oxygen, no shade, no foods. Imagine rivers full of garbage, no clean water to drink. Imagine air full of smoke, breathing becomes difficult. Environment gives us everything for free. It does not ask for money, but in return it only asks for care. If we take care of nature, nature will take care of us. The current problem. Sadly today our environment is facing many threats. Deforestation, millions of trees are cut every year for buildings and people. Because of this, rainfall is decreasing and temperature is increasing. Pollution. Air pollution from cars and factories make breathing hard. Water pollution from factory waste kills fish and makes water unsafe. Noise pollution from loud horns affects our ears and mind. Plastic. Plastic does not break down 500 years. It blocks drain skills
animals, and fills our oceans. Global warming. Due to all this, the earth is getting hotter, glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, and weather is becoming unpredictable. What can we do? The good news is we are the problem and we are the solution. Small actions by millions of people create big change. 3R rule: reduce, reuse, recycle. Use less plastic, reuse old notebooks, recycle paper and bottles, plant trees. 1%, one tree. If every student plants just one tree, we will have millions of new trees. Trees are the lungs of earth. Save resources, turn off lights and fans when not needed. Close taps while brushing. Save water like it is gold because it is. Keep the surroundings clean. Use dustbins. Do not litter. A clean state shows a clean mind. Use eco-friendly options. Carry cloth bags. Walk or cycle for short distance. Use public transport. Conclusion. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi once said, Earth provides enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. We have only one Earth. We cannot move to Mars tomorrow. If we destroy this planet, we destroy our own future. Environment is not just a subject in books, it is life. Thank you. Let's save our environment to save our future.
Har Insan Karma. Now I would like to call Arju for another speech on Environment Day.
Going to speak about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. Every year it teaches us to protect nature. Trees, plant, air and water are very important for life. We should plant more trees, save water and keep our surroundings clean and should not waste paper and plastic. Let us work together to make our earth green healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to speak about Environment Day. This drive shows ways to save our earth. We should save animals and grow more plants. We should save water and avoid cutting trees. We should save energy and stop pollution. We should save dustbin and recycle waste. If we protect nature, nature will protect us. Save earth, save environment. Thank you.
To deliver her speech.
Respected principal sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Manisha from class 5th. Today I am here to talk about World Environment Day. Every year of 5th June, people all over celebrate this day to protect our planet. Our environment is everything around us: air, water, plants, animals, and even the soil we live on. The theme of World Environment Day 2026 is inspired by nature for climate for our future. The environment is very important because it gives food, water and clean air. But sadly, many people do not take care of it. We cut trees, pollute rivers, throw plastic everywhere and harm animals. This makes the earth sick. On this Environment Day, we should all promise to take care of nature. We can do simple things like plant more trees, save water and electricity, use less plastic, keep our surroundings clean. Even small action can make a big difference. We all work together. We can make our earth green, clean and healthy again. Let us remember, earth is our home. We must protect it. Thank you for listening.
Respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the World Environment Day. A day that reminds us that our earth needs us more than ever. First of all, a huge round of applause for all the students who performed today. Those who share or deliver their speech, they did not just speak words, they spread awareness. Those who deliver some quotes, some points or some point, they are not just facts, they open our mind. As a student, I want to say that we are the generation who can either save this planet or destroy it forever. You know that nature is not asking for help. It is demanding action. If we don't act today, there will be no tomorrow. So rise, take responsibilities and protect this beautiful planet before it's too late. Once a quote, इंसान नहीं जो बच का पक्का, ईमान नहीं जो सच का पक्का, और सच की हिफाजत करने की शपथ ली कभी
जब तेरा इरादा हो पक्का. This quote gives us a big message. The big message is that being true to your words. Just a few minutes ago, you take the pledge and you promise that we can protect our environment. You can say no to plastic, no to pollution, whatever you say. So be true to your words. Complete all the things that you say in the pledge. So stop pollution and start solution. Thank you.
Today is 5th June and we are celebrating World Environment Day. I wish you are very happy World Environment Day. Environment is very important for us. It gives us air, water and food. We should protect our environment. For pollution, we should plant more trees. We should keep it clean. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Natasha to deliver her speech.
Happy World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Our earth is like our mother and we must take care of her. Trees give us oxygen, flower makes us smile and nature gives us life. Let us plant more and more trees, save water and never litter. Small actions can make a big difference. Let us keep our planet green and clean. Thank you.
Day celebration. Let us remember that protecting nature is everyone's responsibility.
Plant more trees, save water and keep our surroundings clean for a better future.
Save trees, save earth, save life. Thank you and again happy Environment Day.